Hello.
Hello. Oh, that's on his secret young flight.
When do you want to pick him up?
Yeah.
Like this? Like
What's he waiting?
don't take your finger out. No, make good finger. Drop it or something. Did you record me when I did that?
No.
I am doing it again. Have it. Come on. Now watch. There you go. See,
I
get
get
up.
Daddy, I want to do it, Daddy.
See, he does it.
I'm the heaviest.
Danny, how weird is that?
Alright, make it.
Alright, can I hold it?
No, watch out.
Get up.
Get off, Sonny, dude. Get off.
Get off.
Put your other hand, Danny.
Let go.
Hello. Come on, come on.
Hey.
Dan, move your hand, Danny and Michael. I want to do it.
Mike. Okay, Mike. Put your hand down. Put your hand down.
You don't have a sleeve.
You'll climb on. Yeah, you scratch me too.
Watch, he's gonna bite me.
Put your hand down. No, put your hand down. Right, today's time. Down it so you can get on it. Hello. Hello.
Wow.
Say hello. Say hello.
Oh, that hurts.
Just swallow it.
I'm not trying to.
You're gonna get on your shoulder.
All right, come on. Guys, this is kind of freaked out.
Guys, put it back down. We'll help it.
Put it back down. Help! Help! He's gonna bite me, Mom. Oh my goodness! Let help, guys. Oh, he's got it. No, you don't want him to fall. Now.
Step by There we go.
Oh wow, sir, this is going on YouTube. That's how bad was it? Oh yeah, I just got the video of everything.
She bit me here and here and here.
Where was you guys?
Danny.
Look,
What's the setting?
look, right there. Look, oof. So I'm shaking. That's all.
That's it?
Look at the bit.
I want to hold it.
Sir, I'm shaking. I gotta go outside now. Hey, did it went on your shoulder, Michael?
Trying to.
You got freaked out after that? Okay.
She's not in the big room, guys. Don't pick it up no more.
Whoa, sir, my hand is shaking.
Sunny Greek, sir. Wow. Freak out. Peace.
Going on YouTube.